everyone. Today we all are aware about the need to exercise, but choosing the right form of exercise is important. Every type has its own significance, and choosing the right form at a certain level of fitness and with a clear purpose in your mind is important. So let's understand the basis on which these exercise forms are built.
First, we will learn what is fitness. It is the capacity to perform at a higher level of physical activity where there is enhancement in all the components of fitness. Now, what are these components? Muscle strength, muscle endurance, cardiorespiratory fitness, and appropriate body composition gives fitness. We all are aware about strength training. Muscle strength is the ability to exert force against resistance. And when this strength plays an important role in maintaining good health in young adults and elderly population. It is strongly related to quality of life and a key component in weight loss. It reduces falls and improves balance in elderly population. Strength of muscles or good muscle mass avoids early aging. Thus, keeping aside the myth, strength training is aerobic exercises are the exercises done above ground, that is anti-gravity exercising, where we use large muscle groups and these exercises produce increased heart rate to meet the increased oxygen requirement during the physical activity. It is the exercise that maintains and improves cardiorespiratory fitness. Body's maximum oxygen consumption, that is VO2 max, at a certain level of physical activity is a significant parameter to be measured and then improved. American Heart Association recommends pre-exercise screening before exercise prescription of aerobic exercise. What we call as the stress test is the measure to know the cardiorespiratory health of an individual by measuring his functional capacity and then establishing a target heart rate for an individual to progress. For normal individual who is fit to exercise goes to the activities such as Zumba, aerobic dancing, running, jogging, swimming. All these are aerobic kind of exercises. We all must have heard about core strengthening. What is core? What is core group of muscles? The muscles of the back, abdomen, pelvis and hips attached to the spine, also the muscles of the neck attached to the spine, hold the spine in right alignment so that the dynamic group of muscles perform efficiently. Now these are the small muscles, they are attached to the spine, they hold the spine in right alignment so that there is an efficient activity in the extremities. When core muscles are strengthened well, any high intensity exercise that put load on the spine can be performed without straining the neck or back and protecting the spine. Pilates is one such form of core strengthening which uses body weight, holds the spine right and strengthens the body muscles. It increases the strength, power, endurance of the muscles and give weight loss and thereby enhances fitness. Now, strength of trunk and abdominal muscles is needed for long hours of sitting. These core muscles play an important role in maintaining and correcting the posture. If these groups are kept weak, you gradually lose the right alignment of the body and develop wrong posture. Unless you maintain a good strength and endurance in these muscles, going for an advanced sports would be hazardous and you may land up having musculoskeletal injuries. Yoga and pranayam are the traditional methods by which we know all the chronic illnesses have been prevented and successfully treated at times. Yoga is a mind, body and soul integration. Breath is synchronized with the movement during yoga. Initially physical body and then gradually cognitive and mental focus is gathered while practicing yoga. Yoga and pranayam have been proved to be beneficial in reducing stress, anxiety, improve autoimmune functions by triggering neurohormonal mechanism. Many chronic illnesses are known to be recovered by yoga and pranayam techniques. Nowadays, we all are interested in advanced forms of exercise training. Pilates, as I described earlier, it uses body weight and resistance by recruiting the core group and then strengthening using resistances and giving a challenge to the core group and the extremities too. HIIT is one such form where it's a high intensity interval training. It has been recognized as an effective method to enhance general health and especially cardiovascular health by improving VO2 max. It is a short interval high intensity exercise followed by intervals or low intensity exercising. Its role apart from cardiovascular fitness is significant in lowering the overall body weight and improving body composition. So guys, now once you know the basics of all these forms of exercise, I would recommend you to design your own exercise protocol. In the process, remember to know the basic activity level you have prior and accordingly progress with the exercise. So know whether you are just doing your ADLs, that is daily active daily living, or you're already working for disease prevention or health and disease prevention. Are you at the level of achieving fitness? So accordingly you progress and make sure you include aerobic strengthening, aerobic exercises, strength training and core strengthening as an integral part of your exercise program. Thank you all.